So guys, in this video, I'll be breaking down a very sad news. So if you are not a lover of sad news, I will beg you to skip this video because this is a video of what really happened to Usain Bolt recently. Of something very sad happened to him, and I will spill down every single detail you need to know. So welcome to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe before we. So you guys are about to hear the sad breaking news of a very smart man. So there is no way on this earth you will tell me that Usain Bolt will just choose to throw away his money just like that. It's not possible, right? So Usain Bolt was just living his life when he was approached by Stock Securities Limited, a company called SSL. It is a Jamaican investment firm. He thought he had found a good opportunity to grow his wealth. So when he was approached by this company, Usain Bolt was thinking, "Oh, I finally, this is my chance to increase my money, increase my wealth, and become much more richer." Presented themselves and promised Usain Bolt high return of a lot of money after his investment, right? And he was convinced. Usain Bolt was totally convinced because they were able to confuse and twist his brains. They convinced him that it was a solid opportunity. Then Usain Bolt believed them and he invested a large amount of money with the company, hoping to earn a very big amount of money in return. You know, it's like an investment. Do you guys know what investment means? When you invest, you are expecting big in return. So that is the situation of Usain Bolt. But little did Mr. Usain Bolt knows that that company is not what it seems to be, right? The company was operating a Ponzi scheme where they would promise investors high returns of their investment, but instead what they would do is use that same money you invested and pay new investors. Do you see how crazy this is? So this company, what they do allegedly is when you invest your money, right, they will use your money and pay new investors, which means no investment is being done. These are just group of scammers coming together in order to run people's lives. They want to ruin people's lives. That Usain Bolt was devastated. Of course, what do we expect? He found out that he had been scammed, right? At the same time, he had lost millions of dollars and he didn't know how he was going to recover. At that very moment, Usain Bolt felt betrayed and at the same time he was very angry, and that was when an investigation was launched. And guess what? After the investigation was launched, several people were being caught, including the former CEO of SSL allegedly were arrested and charged in connection with the scam scheme, right? At the news of the scam and the news of the scam broke out all over the world, Usain Bolt fans and supporters rallied around him. They expressed their anger towards what has happened to the greatest legend of track and field. Now, this is what Usain Bolt said after everything happened. He said, "I am only looking forward and I am going to make sure that those responsible for this scam are held responsible." In the end, Usain Bolt's determination and resilience paid off. He was able to recover some of his losses allegedly. So he was also able to move on from the experience. He learned a very valuable lesson about the importance of doing research and due diligence before investing in any financial opportunity. And he was grateful for the support of his fans and loved ones. So that is the story of Mr. Usain Bolt that happened 2 years back when he was being scammed of his money. At the end of the day, Usain Bolt said he has gained a lot of experience. At least he is not going to fall victim of such people next time.